Hello and welcome to One Lap. Today we have a 2019 Tesla Model X Performance to put around the track. This is the Raven one with the good stuff. So this is a 2019 Raven Model X. What does that mean? It has a permanent magnet front motor, upgraded suspension with active dampening. And so we've already run a Model X on this channel, a 100D, same battery pack, non-performance. This one has 614 kilowatts of power, which is just crazy. And so we'll see how much faster the performance is around the track with the new front motor and the suspension upgrades than the old one that we ran, a 2017 long range. Very similar tire and wheel setup. The only difference is really the performance and the Raven. Let's go have some fun. And here we are inside the Model X Performance. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up. Sorry, I'm using my phone. One of my GoPro mounts broke. So we're going to go suspension. Let's turn the car on first by touching the brake pedal. Very low, of course. Suspension in sport, OA set to low. Driving, we're going to go Ludicrous. I don't want to go Ludicrous Plus. Ludicrous Plus artificially heats up the battery pack. I'm also going to enable Slip Start, and what Slip Start does is just allow a little bit of slip angle. There's no way to fully disable traction control on this car. So that's about that. So to start, we're going to launch it, which is left foot on the brake, right foot on the throttle as hard as we can. Front end should dip down a little bit for cheetah launch mode, and then we'll rock it off. I don't know if we can actually do launch mode without Ludicrous Plus. Negative. And since I'm not using Ludicrous Plus, we're not going to do that. So let's just floor it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God. It's so fast. A little front end shake from the axles though, definitely has that problem. Wow, wow, wow. We are going to brake. Woo, brake hard. This is a heavy beast. Slip Start turns itself back on, or off I should say. Hard on the brakes here. Oh, she's a heavy beast. I forgot, it's been a little while since I drove the Model X 100D last time. This thing is heavy, but I will say it feels so much more composed with this newer suspension. Wow, it's so much more eager to turn into corners. Big improvement. Yeah, definitely a little bit of understeer. We got these new nice curbing around the side of the track here. Oh, we're hard power down. She's screaming. Yeah, a little lift off oversteer there, but wow, the body control is so much better with this new Raven suspension. Still that front end shake from the axles, it's such a problem with Model X's. Let's go hard power down. Man, this thing really takes off. A little lift for this section of the track and we're back to full power. Traction control just won't stop. Brakes. Oh, it's a heavy beast. Come on, car. The pedals to the floor. Emergency braking just pulled it all the way back in. And let's get it straight for the straightaway and rock it down. We're at 51% state of charge. Here we come. Full beans across the straight. 120 past the start finish. Woo! And you can smell the brakes. It reeks. Just about 1400 watt-hour per mile. That was a good run in this thing. It is a significant improvement over the regular Model X non-Raven. Again, none of the suspension or braking changes change with the performance upgrades. This is purely because of the Raven changes. And wow, I think if you're buying one used or new, if you're a good, if you're into driving, the Raven makes all the difference. I want to say thank you to Brian from I1 Tesla for letting me use his Model X here. I'll have a link up above here in the pop-up banner where you can go subscribe to his channel. So let's take a look back at this lap and reveal the lap time. The Model X has a ton of power, which really gives it an artificially lower lap time than other vehicles just because it is so fast in a straight line. However, this vehicle was also significantly faster than the Model X 100D. The Model X Raven performance came in 4 seconds faster than the non-performance, non-Raven car. I'll have a link above so you can watch that video. And now it's time to reveal the time. The Model X Performance Raven completed our 1 lap in 1 minute 51 seconds. Now keep in mind, all of these lap times are not the vehicle being pushed 10/10ths, it's just a general representation to compare across many different vehicles. If you're interested to see the lap times of other vehicles and their links to the videos, there's a document in the description below that will show you every vehicle that we've run in our 1 lap series. Thanks so much for watching, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.